When we got back to our hotel from Diamond Head, it was dusk and we were very tired and very hot and very thirsty. But we didn't want a hamburger or anything like that. And about a block and a half from our hotel was the International Food Court. So we decided to go take a look and see what they had. Come along with us, and I think you'll be surprised. This area is an open air area for dining with food trucks. And there's food trucks from all the different cultures that make up Hawaii. And it's less expensive than most restaurants in Waikiki. The other thing is we had rain at the end and it poured, but they do have an awning over it, so we did not get wet. This food area is open for lunch through supper to, I'm thinking 9 or 10 o'clock. And lots of people go there because the prices are quite good and the portions are wonderful. This was our supper, which we shared. 2 sodas and this meal, and it was plenty.
Two.
This was the fruit vendor. She had star fruit, mangoes, and dragon fruit. On the street by the beach, they were having a street party. And they had food and they had things you could buy. We didn't see anything there, which is why we went up to the food court. But they had fireworks, and so we went to the top of our building so we could watch the fireworks.